Hey guys, welcome to another episode about ESP programming. So, as you know, in our previous episode I showed you how to create C application that is going to communicate with your ESP microcontroller via USB. And on the right you could see code for our ESP. So this is nothing special, I'm just reading output from my potentiometer on pin A0. And A0 it's analog pin on my ESP8266 D1 Mini Pro microcontroller. With this line I'm reading that output and I'm turning it into percentage. And I'm just printing that result out. So now I'm going to open my serial monitor in order to show you that. So now my readings are on maximum, so I'm going to turn wheel of my potentiometers towards left. You should see lower numbers. Alright. Now minimum. Alright. Okay, now it's on 29%. Okay, I'm going to close my serial monitor. So in previous episode we dealt with C code and I'm going to show you that code now. So here is our C application with 40 lines of code. Now I'm going to do the same but with Python code. In C we use the timios.h library, but now we are going to use pyserial. So we are going to import that serial. If you don't have serial installed, please use your pip and install pyserial library. Now I'm going to create my connection. It's serial with capital S. And as argument I'm going to provide my USB port name. So I am on Linux and my port name is dev tty USB 0. If you are on Windows you would have like COM0, COM1 and something like that. Now I'm going to set my baud rate to 9600, and you could actually use any other settings. I'm just comfortable with 9600, but what is important, you have to match baud settings on your PC and on your microcontroller side. So this number must be the same in order for this to work. Now we have to set. So we are using 8 bytes. We have to set parity. To capital N, so no parity. We have to use stop bits. Set it to 1. And now we are going to deal with communication. Okay, I'm going to make one more space. So I want my message to be stored in variable received. And I'm going to get that message with connection, read line. And now in our received variable we have a byte array that contains result from our communication. What I want to do, I want to cast that number to float in order to present it in nice way. So now I could just print it out. Received, and I'm going to close my connection like this. Save it. Now I'm going to run this code. Okay, what's wrong? I have problems on line 9. No, problem is in here, not equals, it's dot. Save it again, and I'm going to execute this code once again. Okay, we have 29.88. Let me check my serial monitor. 29.88. Okay, I'm going to turn this towards bigger numbers. So 56, 64. Okay, I'm going to close my serial monitor and I'm going to execute this code once again. 64.55. Let me check it again. All right, we are getting right numbers. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!